Welcome. In front of me is an LG V50, and today I will show you how to transfer files from your phone to an SD card or vice versa. And to get started, you want to open up the File Manager app, which will be located in the Management folder by default. File Manager right over here. And once you open it up, you want to locate your files. Now, quickly going over, by default it will go into the internal storage, which is the memory of the device itself. But you also have the option to change it to the SD card, if that's where you think your files are. And going quickly over the folders that are here, we have folders like DCIM. These are the ones that are important, so it's right over here as well. So DCIM, downloads below that, and we also should have, where is it? Pictures somewhere. Oh, there we go, right at the top, pictures. So those are the three most important folders, and DCIM will contain pictures and videos captured with the device. Pictures folder will contain screenshots, and then downloads folder obviously contains downloaded files. And I'm gonna check DCIM. For me, this one is empty. I'm looking for photos so I can transfer them, but they are located, it looks like, on the SD card instead. Now, if you go to the SD card, you have basically the same folders as on the internal storage. So there we go. There are my files. Now, once you find your files, whichever ones you're looking for, you want to select them, and you do so by simply holding the file. Or not. Try that again. So it looks like here we don't do it by holding the file. So where is it? I guess we first choose if we want to move or copy. So obviously select whichever option you want, move or copy. I'm gonna go with a move. And from there, we can actually select them. Now, if you want to select everything that is in here, simply select that select all, and this will include everything that is in this location. If you don't want all of them, but majority, you can, again, still go with select all and then simply deselect ones that you don't want. It's completely up to you, whichever way it's easier for you. But end goal, what you want to do is have selected all the files that you want to move or copy. And once they are, tap on move. And from here, it will give you the two different locations, internal and SD card. So right now for me, the files are on SD card, so I'm just gonna move it to the phone itself. And once you tap on it, you can then navigate to whichever folder you want to move it to. So that could be back in the DCIM, just on the phone instead of SD card. Or you can create a completely new folder if you wanted to by tapping right over here. But honestly, I won't bother with either of those. I'm just gonna slap it right in here, without even going to any folder. And now you can see that on the internal storage, which is the phone storage, we have 3 pictures at the bottom. And that is basically how you copy, move any kind of file from your phone from one location to another. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.